What's up gamers, GadInsider here, and Steam just dropped a massive update for Mac users. Native Apple silicone support for M series Macs is here, making your gaming smoother and faster. Let's dive into this game changer. Tired of laggy Steam performance on your M1, M2, or M3 Mac? This beta update unleashes the full power of Apple's chips, and you can try it now. Ready to level up your Mac gaming? Keep watching. On June 12, 2025, Steam rolled out native Apple silicone support in its beta client, and Mac gamers are hyped. If you've got an M1, M2, or M3 Mac, this update means Steam no longer relies on Rosetta 2, Apple's emulation layer for Intel apps. Rosetta 2 got the job done, but it did slow things down. Now, the Steam client and Steam Helper apps run natively, tapping directly into Apple's chips for faster load times, better compatibility, and a slicker gaming experience. Why is this a big deal? Apple's phasing out Intel-based Macs. Mac OS Tahoe out now is the last major update for those machines, and Rosetta 2 will vanish after Mac OS 27. That means apps like Steam need native silicone support to stay relevant. Steam's ahead of the curve, ensuring your M series Mac is ready for the future of gaming. Want to try it? It's super easy. Open Steam on your Mac, go to Steam, go to Settings, click on Interface, and pick Steam Beta Update from the Client Beta Participation dropdown. Restart Steam, and boom, you're running the native version. Posts on X are buzzing, with Mac users saying it feels snappier already. This isn't just a tech tweak, it's a win for Mac gamers. Native Apple silicone support means your M series Mac can flex its full power, delivering the gaming experience you deserve. With Apple ditching Intel and Rosetta, Steam's move keeps it locked in for the long haul. Whether you're into indie gems or AAA titles, this update's got you covered. Ready to turbocharge Steam on your Mac? Drop a comment, tell us how the beta's working for you. Smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for more gaming tech news.